Good morning, Chasm listeners. This is Candace Teigland with your conservation report for Saturday, February 10th. Warmer weather has arrived early for us here in Minnesota. Even though our calendars say about 5 more weeks of winter, spring-like temperatures can be felt all around us the past couple of weeks. Even some of the trees believe spring has arrived. Just look at the maple trees. The sap has been flowing through the trees way earlier than the typical time of year, which usually happens in March. Oh, did I mention trees? Do you or someone you know are looking to plant some trees for this spring? If you do, our office still has plenty of trees and shrubs for sale. Maybe some gray dogwood would be of interest. Gray dogwood has an important source of nectar and pollen for insects, along with providing shelter for nesting birds. Or maybe some basswood trees would be an option. Basswood trees are highly favored by many kinds of bees. The basswood tree is also known as a bee tree. Maybe some drought and fire-tolerant trees like the bur oaks would be a better choice. Bur oaks are a slow-growing tree that can live up to a couple hundred years, providing plenty of shade on those hot, sunny days. Maybe you are in need of trees to keep the soil in place on a slope that tends to hold plenty of moisture for it, like the sandbar willow. The sandbar willow provides shelter for many game birds along with forage for deer. We also have many other varieties of trees to pick from on our website. Tree orders can be done anytime on our website or in our office during our business hours. We continue to sell trees and shrubs until we are sold out. Spring delivery of trees is only a couple months away, so place your order soon. Plenty of events are happening in the next couple of weeks. Here are just a few. On Tuesday, February 13th, the Nitrogen, Minnesota's Grand Challenge and Compelling Opportunity Conference will be happening at the Holiday Inn and Suites in St. Cloud starting at 8 a.m. Discussions include current topics in crop production, and environmental stewardship will be relevant and informative for today's agricultural producers and professionals and anyone else who appreciates high-quality research-based information. Attendance can be done in person or virtual by going to the U of M Extension's website to register. Or you can click on a link on our SWCD's website in our calendar tab for more information about this conference. On Thursday, February 15th, the Irrigators Association annual convention is happening at the Freeport Community Center in Freeport. Registration at the door will be offered, which includes a noon lunch. Doors open at 8:30 a.m. for visiting with exhibitors and to enjoy some refreshments. For more information, please visit mn.irrigators.org's website or visit our SWCD calendar's webpage. On Tuesday, February 20th, will be a small grains workshop happening at the Great Blue Heron in Cold Spring. The University of Minnesota Extension is offering a small grains workshop to address successful small grain management. Workshops will focus on production, agronomics, variety selection, and economics, and will include an open forum discussion for related topics and on-farm experiences. The workshop is free to attend, but registration is required. To register by going to the University of Minnesota's Extension website or visit our SWCD calendar's webpage to find the link. To find more information about area events and trees, please visit our website at StearnsCountySWCD.net. Thanks for listening and have a great day.